The James Webb Telescope, humankind's most high-EV space observatory of late, achieved a stunning accomplishment by getting irrefutably the most over-the-top, underhandedly incredible picture to date of Proxima b, an exoplanet seen in the Proxima Centauri system, which is essential for our arousing area. This monster achievement has illuminated beforehand genuine subtleties of this distant world, suggesting its genuine capacity to support life and inciting fundamental questions concerning the doorway of our universe settled inside the monster nearby of the university. Proxima Centauri b circles its host star, Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf situated around 4.2 light-years from Earth. The visibility of Proxima b has lit serious authentic interest and has similarly excited the imaginative imagination of individuals, everything considered, as it raises the enchanting opportunity of finding life beyond our own planetary social environment. Proxima Centauri b exists inside the habitable zone of its star, a zone where conditions could accommodate the presence of liquid water, a critical part for life as we understand it. Its closeness to Earth, alongside its basic endpoint of sensibility, has driven experts to conjecture about the probability of Proxima b clutching distant life. The detection of Proxima b was made possible through the inventive usage of the winding rate system and astrometry in the field of exoplanet revelation. This method relies upon the impression of slight changes in the movement of a star, achieved by the gravitational pull of a circumnavigating planet. Through careful observation and monitoring of changes in the star's spectral lines, cosmologists had the option to recognize the presence of Proxima b despite its small size and faraway location. Proxima Centauri b circles around its parent star at a distance and speed with a year persisting 11.2 Earth days, all around 11 times closer to its star than Earth is to the Sun. Proxima experiences dazzling variances in temperature and light. One side of the planet is persistently washed in the glare of light, while the other is dove into a profound, entering shadow. The detectable quality of Proxima b marks a basic achievement in humanity's fundamental mission to explore the universe and handle our place inside it, including the immense area of planetary plans that exist beyond our close planetary system. Through planetary get-together and parts, the potential so it is prepared could see as Earth-like universe for supporting life. As experts continue to focus in on Proxima Centauri b and other exoplanets, they hope to loosen up the interior secrets of these faraway universes and open the extraordinary pieces of information of life beyond Earth. Regardless of its closeness, Proxima Centauri b plays a round of hide-and-seek for our eyes as its evident degree of 11.13 beats our visual handle, dominating the typical eye cutoff of 6.5. However, don't be cheated, for the star is unquestionably a stunning sight. Proxima's little people like Proxima and Zenith b are the universe's able energy producers, shining for billions of years because of their enthusiastic interior convection processes. Proxima Centauri itself will continue to shimmer as a red dwarf star for another 4 trillion years and stand as an exhibit of its consistent through wonder. However, what about the reality of Proxima Centauri and its expected parts? The star is a flare star inclined to discharging with surprising and astounding energy impacts. Its low mass similarly recommends that any valid zone where conditions could fit for life is generally closer in than our own young lives. Proxima b, a planet in the zone, circles a distance away like Earth. Regardless, separation from the Sun appearances can be misleading. Proxima b encounters a constant flood of past unprecedented radiation from its star, considerably more limit than Earth's sunshine. Even the lightest particles of hydrogen can try not to leave nitrogen and oxygen at serious bet. Essentially being in an android way worked with doesn't guarantee a positive climate. Proxima b could come up short on required climate to assist existence with controlling the environment and keep a water surface. Without this mindful safeguard, any norm living things would be overpowered with the angry fundamental powers of space, making life a near-zero possibility. So while Proxima b could share a striking similarity to our home planet, it stands plainly frantic in its ability to help life. The universe keeps its favored bits of knowledge well, and Proxima b is a Goliath secret, encompassed by private and interest revealing the special experiences of Proxima b with the James Webb Telescope. Regardless of standing up to numerous troubles that render it a staggering mission, the trip to reveal its incline toward pieces of information continues strengthened by trust and innovative movement. Possibly the most intriguing instrument expected around the culmination of 2021 after a couple of calm sections, this high-level telescope promises to assist us with noticing maybe the most enchanting requests. Is there life on Proxima b? The trip toward uncovering this is everything but clear. The James Webb Telescope, expected through wide changes to ensure the accuracy of its photographs, according to Kirk, a perceptible theoretical physicist at Harvard, requires a nuanced approach. The planet, organized in the habitable zone of its star, has the believability to hold light as infrared, making it recognizable by the James Webb Telescope. Enormous strong regions for this instrument can aggregate infrared light from the world's surface, helping experts in looking for signs of water or an environment. The bewildering question of whether Proxima b harbors water is fundamental to how we could assess this close-by exoplanet and its actual limit with regards to life. Water is a huge pressing variable on the planet and its strong capacity of having the choice to help conditions suitable for life. Cosmologists as well as space adrenaline addicts are restless to explore this Earth-like exoplanet. And remembering that speedy goes to Proxima could make the probability of the planet being decent or maybe ready for supporting some sort of life possible. Arranged in the habitable zone of its star, Proxima-esque gets a comparative proportion of sun-powered energy as Earth does from the sun, yet its closeness to its red little star opens the planet to remarkable radiation and persuading gravity, which could present hardships for the stability of any air and the presence of liquid water. Complex models and diversions are as of now being used to look at the cutoff conditions for Proxima b's ongoing situation and possible water holds. A couple of conditions suggested that the planet could have colossal seas, while others suggest that any water may be locked away as ice or covered significant underground. Anyway, seeing water on Proxima b is a trying endeavor, requiring high-level telescope development and unambiguous tools. As our observational instruments continue to loosen up the extraordinary encounters of Proxima b's current circumstance and potential water holds, all the more clear speculations should emerge, presenting to us a piece closer to disentangling the real exemplification of this spellbinding exoplanet. Having an environment doesn't guarantee that Proxima is everywhere. Ed Turner, an astrophysicist at Princeton School, alerts that the planet would fit for seeming like Venus, with a thick, threatening air and ludicrous temperatures making conditions unsuitable for life. To the extent that we may not cross these obstacles, the allure of Proxima b's exposure by the James Webb Telescope offers an appealing impression. However, it moreover presents financial hardships and express complexities space specialists will stand up to troubles driven by the normal farthest reaches of thinking about new universes and perhaps new kinds of life. The trip to reveal the privileged insights of Proxima b is an undertaking loaded up with assumption, energy, and the obligation to reconfigure how we see the universe. Proxima b isn't just a remote exoplanet. It's a neighbor in our broad deck, and its closeness to Earth makes it a fascinating goal for future space missions. It presents an enormous number of our continuing on hack puts and is solidly on the radar for future interstellar missions. The challenges of showing up at Proxima b are gigantic. With current vehicle progress like that of WF2, the trip would require no less than 73,000 years. Progressions in progress could achieve the dream of investigating an exoplanet inside our lifetime. Closer to this reality, the disclosure of Proxima has reignited mankind's interest in the universe, giving another flash of trust and interest, stays as an impression of our natural hankering to explore the frail-reaching new universes and is a huge apparatus in becoming our comprehension of the universe, particularly in our central goal to find life past our own planet. The James Webb Telescope, humankind's most high-EV space observatory of late, achieved a stunning accomplishment by getting clearly the absolute most fiendishly awesome picture to date of Proxima b, an exoplanet seen in the Proxima Centauri system, which is basic for our motivating area. This Goliath achievement has enlightened before-time genuine subtleties of this faraway world, suggesting its real capacity to support life and inciting essential questions regarding the doorway of our universe settled inside the Goliath nearby of the universe. Proxima Centauri b circles its host star, Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf situated around 4.2 light-years from Earth. The detectable quality of Proxima b has lit serious certified interest and has moreover excited the imaginative mind of individuals all things considered as it raises the spellbinding chance of finding life past our own planetary social environment. Proxima Centauri b exists inside the habitable zone of its star, a zone where conditions may oblige the presence of fluid water, a basic part for life as we appreciate it. Its closeness to Earth, alongside its basic limit of sensibility, has driven experts to hypothesize about the probability of Proxima observing on to faraway life. The distinguishing proof of Proxima b was made possible through the inventive use of the winding rate structure and astrometry in the field of exoplanet disclosure. This method relies upon the view of slight changes in the improvement of a star achieved by the gravitational draw of an orbiting planet. Through careful observation and monitoring of changes in the star's frightening lines, cosmologists had the choice to recognize the presence of Proxima b disregarding its little size and distant region. Proxima Centauri b circles around its parent star at a distance and speed with a year persisting 11.2 Earth days, all around on various occasions closer to its star than Earth is to the Sun. Proxima experiences shocking groupings in temperature and light. One side of the planet is persistently washed in the glare of light, while the other is dove into a significant entering shadow. The detectable quality of Proxima b marks a basic achievement in mankind's fundamental mission to research the universe and handle our place inside it, including the tremendous area of planetary plans that exist past our close by planetary gathering. Through planetary gathering and parts, the potential so it is prepared could see as Earth-like universe for supporting life. As experts keep on zeroing in on Proxima Centauri b and other exoplanets, they want to loosen up the interior insider realities of these faraway universes and open the exceptional pieces of information on life past Earth. Despite what its closeness, Proxima Centauri b plays a series of hide and look for our eyes as its obvious degree of 11.13 beats our visual handle dominating the typical eye cutoff of 6.5. Anyway, don't be cheated, for the star is surely a stunning sight. Proxima's little people like Proxima and Apex b are the universe's fit energy creators, sparkling for billions of years because of their energetic inside convection processes. Proxima Centauri itself will continue to shimmer as a red little star for another 4 trillion years and stand as an exhibition of its consistent through wonder. However, shouldn't something be said about the reality of Proxima Centauri and its likely parts? The star is a flare star inclined to producing with bewildering and surprising energy impact. Its low mass moreover recommends that any valid zone where conditions could fit for life is generally closer in than our own young lives. Proxima b, a planet in this zone, circles a distance away like Earth's. However, partition from the Sun appearances can be misleading. Proxima b encounters a persistent flood of past uncommon radiation from its star, essentially more extreme than Earth's sunshine. Even the lightest particles of hydrogen can try not to leave nitrogen and oxygen at serious bet. Essentially, being in an android way worked with doesn't guarantee a positive climate. Proxima b could come up short on required climate to assist existence with controlling the environment and keep a water surface. Without this careful safeguard, any norm living things would be overpowered with the furious fundamental powers of room, making life a close to zero possibility. So while Proxima b could share a striking likeness to our home planet, it stands obviously frantic in its ability to help life. The universe keeps its special experiences well, and Proximus furthermore. Peak b is a Goliath secret enveloped by private and interest, revealing the advantaged experiences of Proxima b, with the James Webb Telescope paying little heed to going up against numerous troubles that render it a staggering mission. The outing to reveal its incline toward pieces of information continues, invigorated by trust, further, and imaginative movement. Possibly the most fascinating instrument it is to concern this gigantic endeavor. James Webb Telescope expected around the fruition of 2021. After a couple of calm passages, this high-level telescope promises to assist us with noticing maybe the most enchanting requests. Is there life on Proxima b? The trip toward uncovering this is everything aside from clear. The James Webb Telescope expected through wide changes to ensure the accuracy of its photographs, according to a Kirk, an observable speculative physicist at Harvard. Standing requires a nuanced approach. The planet, organized in the bearable zone of its star, has the believability to